Got Medicare? Great! Next year, will you still fit your Medicare plan? You may have changed. Your health may be different. You may have recovered from an illness. Or you may be dealing with a new one. You may have moved to a new location where your current Medicare plan is not available. Medicare changes every year, too. The costs you pay may change. Your deductible or copays may be different. The prescription drugs you can get may change every year, as well as their cost. You won't know if you can get a better fit until you compare the plan you have now with other plans you can choose. The choice is yours. You may be able to stay with the plan you have, or select one that works better for you. You may consider switching to a different Medicare Advantage plan, or change your Part D plan, or return to Original Medicare and add a Part D plan. Fall is the time when you can choose a new plan for next year, if you want to. If you find a better fit, you must make your switch between November 15th and December 31st. This is called the annual election period. Any changes become effective January 1st. You can get help making your choices. Call 1-800-MEDICARE or go to Medicare.gov.